What's up, guys? So today I'm gonna paint this bumper. It does need a touch-up. I'm gonna use undercoat because it's what I used the first time. Say hi, Eddie.
Hi.
So I'm gonna use undercoat, which is this right here.
Spray paint.
Aerosol undercoat. One of the biggest reasons I'm using this undercoat from a can here is because it sprays on really thick and covers any like deep scratches. So that's one of the reasons I'm using it. It'll cover. Let's see here. Oh, look here, right here. So let me focus it. Look. So I started taking this off, but look how thick it goes on. If I can focus it there. Look how thick that goes on. So that's the reason I'm using it. Using 120 grit. Just use that out a little bit. A lot of cars charging up today. Those of you that have your own garages are lucky. Okay, so I did as much as I'm gonna do with the sandpaper. I took that grill off right there, just so I don't have to worry about it or tape it around it. Easier for me to do. And I'm gonna leave this hood open. It's easier to work with. But if you can see, right around, all around, sanded it. I'm gonna tape up those lights. And honestly, that's the only freaking problem I have right there is that rust. But hopefully we'll cover that. Next year I'll get a new bumper. For now, this is what we're gonna do. Okay, so I taped it up, covered what I needed. I'm not gonna tape anything here because I'm just gonna use one of these. So like this. Literally covers it. See? But if you're gonna do this, be careful. This is your actual paint. You're just gonna make more of a mess. Since I can't record and spray at the same time, I will show you the difference. If you take a good look right there, that's already painted, that's not. I do want you guys to see how this thing paints though. So I'm gonna paint these because I already did it once. And yes, they're dirty, I don't give a shit. Ready? Hot day, so this will dry up. I'm just not gonna step on it for maybe a few days. I got kids, so I gotta keep reminding them not to step on it. Definitely looks better already. I also hit up under there too. Doesn't stop the rust, but it does slow it down. Car looks nicer, longer. That's the grill. All right. That's the final coat. I'm not doing no more. One thing that sucks is that you can see some blemishes. You can't get them off because it's rust under there, and I did sand it down to the metal part of it, but you can still see when you paint it. So, but it looks better, a lot better. That's it. I I did end up putting the blue tape there, so when you put the cardboard, it doesn't sneak under.